Good grief, girl. Hey friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's YouTube channel. And this is Ginger, my co-host here today. Say hi, Ginger. Can you say hi? And she is keeping me company, apparently. I'm supposed to be keeping her company, too. Oh, Ginger. Okay, that's enough. You're getting a little too wild. Out down. Hey, friends. Welcome back. I'm LlamaMamaKayla, and I appreciate you stopping by for a visit today. Today is WIP Wednesday, and I'm also declaring it Pajama Day for myself. I am feeling really bad and just really frustrated. Everything I've tried to do today has not went my way, so I am just calling it a pajama day, and I'm not trying to accomplish anything today. And I've tried to make this video several times and it hasn't went well either, so here it is. One shot happening here. Okay, so first off, let me say this. I asked a question on Monday and I forgot to give the answer, and then I forgot to give the answer on Tuesday. So today I'm going to give the answer. Monday I asked, because it was the last day of February, I asked how many months have 28 days? Some people answered in the comments. The answer is all 12 months have 28 days. So just a little humor there. Anyway, guys, there's no new update on my father. He's doing the same. No better, no worse. So at least he's not worse. He's the same. And my mother is doing okay, but you know, she's not happy. And now she's by herself in that room, and she has convinced herself that she is at the end of a very long haul, which is not true at all. Before we went and visited a couple weekends ago, she told me not to come because it was too far for me to walk. That she was at the end of a really, really long haul. So we went, Big Daddy and I went, and she is like really close to the front door. Just go in, you turn right, and then you turn, and there's this little bitty hallway that has like maybe 4 doors, and she's the 4th door. I mean, the hallway is not as long as this room right here that I'm in. And so I think when they brought her in because they brought her from the hospital on a stretcher by ambulance, I think they must have brought her in from the back somewhere, you know, and they probably had to go all throughout the facility to get to her room. And so for some reason she thinks she's at the end of a very long hall. And then I told her she wasn't whenever we were there. I was like, you're right close to the entrance. And, you know, I told her that it was a little bitty tiny short hall that only had like four doors, I think. And then she was like, no, I'm at the end of a long hall. And so now she's in there by herself, and she says she's scared because she's by herself at the end of that long hall. And so, I feel bad for her. For, you know, that she's scared. When she don't need to be. You know, there's no reason for her to be scared. The nurse's station is not far from her room at all. But, you know, I can't convince her of that. So, anyway, and then things that I've tried to do today, or just have gotten emails about and things like that, are just been so frustrating that I've been upset most of the morning. And now I just got to put those aside and try to get on, you know, with my day and do something different, you know. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to sit and relax and crochet. And so let me take my hook off. I have started my yellow blanket. Yes, isn't that beautiful? I love how it's darker in the middle and it's getting lighter around the edges now. So this yarn this was gifted to me. It's Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. And this is called Sunny. This was gifted to me by Crystal at Chronically Crocheting and Connie from Connie's Crafty Corner. Both of those lovely ladies gifted me this yellow ombre yarn. And the name of this is called Sunny. And I love that. I love that. But I've seen several people mention, even on their channels, after they watched my opening, they mentioned my opening and said they didn't even know this came in yellow. So it does. I think it's just, must be hard to find. I don't know. I never saw it in a store either. But it is beautiful, isn't it? I love that. And yellow is my favorite color. And I love the fact that it is called Sunny. My bathroom is done in You Are My Sunshine theme. Matter of fact, on the back of my door is the words to You Are My Sunshine. And so when anybody uses my restroom and they close the door, which they do, close the door, they're faced with singing the song You Are My Sunshine. And so I just picture everyone sitting there singing You Are My Sunshine when they go to the restroom. I know they do. I do. So everybody else does too. So that's what I'm working on today. This is just a granny rectangle, you know, simple, but it's relaxing to me, and I love doing double crochet. I love doing double crochets, and so this right here is just relaxing. And if I was sitting at the river, that would be really nice. I would love to be sitting by the river, crocheting right about now. That would be really relaxing. But anyway, excuse me. I'll tell you what, I don't even know what I have said and hadn't said in this video now. I just got so much on my mind. But today I plan to find some movies to watch, find some YouTubes to watch, and just sit and crochet and watch some movies or shows or whatever it is I find to watch. So tell me, what are you working on today? Do you have a WIP you're working on, or a special project you're working on? This project here, I'm not going to be in any hurry to complete it. This is going to be my relaxing project, I can tell you that, because I love working on double crochets, and this yellow makes me happy, happy, happy. So I will be working on this. When I'm working on this, you know I'll be happy. So anyway, what I was saying is I'm not going to be like in a hurry to try to finish it. I'm just going to enjoy the process and mostly work on this when I have found a movie or something like that I want to watch. This is an easy project to watch TV or movies or whatever. Do you have projects like that that's your TV projects or whatever? Because they're easy to work on while you watch something, and you don't have to, like, you know, read a pattern or really pay that much attention to what you're doing. This type of project is it for me. And plus, you know, I still feel bad. Yesterday, I laid down at about 12:30 p.m. and I got up at 1 a.m. Big Daddy woke me up when he was coming to bed. Now, he did come and check on me when he got up. When he got home from work, he came and checked on me, and I just fell right back asleep. And then he came in there at 11 to check on me. He said, "It's 11. Are you going to get up?" And I don't know what I said. I said, "I don't know, I guess." But anyway, I fell back asleep. And then at 1 a.m. he came to bed, and I got up then and stayed up for a little bit, then went back to bed. But Yeah, I'm just sleeping like a lot. Like this COVID makes you so tired. Like you just can't imagine, how tired it really makes you feel. But, I'm very, very thankful that I'm not having any kind of breathing issues. I'm breathing just fine. I do have a bit of a cough, and at times it does sound worse than others, but it's not really bad. So anyway, guys, yeah, that's all that's going on for me today is just working on my beautiful sunny blanket. And, I'll tell y'all this. Every time I say that sunny, I think of this girl that we know that lost her life last Mother's Day. Was it last Mother's Day? Yeah. And her name was Sunny. So this also makes me think of her whenever I say that. But anyway, I just love the color of this. It's so beautiful. So I hope you all have a great day. I hope you find something that makes you happy today. Do something that you enjoy. And be happy. Happy, happy, happy. Thanks, guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye.